Let us talk about the Godox SL100 Buy. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have the Godox SL100 Buy continuous LED light with us for review. This is a 100-watt chip on board or COB LED light. This light is capable of producing a color that can vary from 2800 Kelvin, which will give us a warm tone, to a 6500 Kelvin, which will give us a slightly blue or a cool tone. In this video we will be unboxing the light. We will look at the technical specifications of this as well. Also, we will be looking and discussing the different light modifiers or accessories that we have for this particular light. We will see the videos how we use this light to create the previously seen examples in this video. We will see what benefit this light has as compared to similar products. We will share our opinion based on the experience that we had of using this light creatively, upon which you can decide how this light benefits your style of shooting and if this light is the correct one for your requirements. Let us unbox this and see what are the content inside. The user manual, we have the light with the protective cover, comes with a basic metallic reflector and with a cable that they claim is 5 meters. Good that it comes with a time. So these are the contents of the box and so far it looks good. Speaking about the SL100 Buy, it has a power supply which supports 100 volt to 240 volt. The advantage of this is it is not going to be region specific, so anywhere in the world and you should be good with the power for this particular light. The output of this light is 100 watts, which is good enough. In the review how well it fares in our shooting conditions. This light has 32 channels and 16 groups. This helps if you want to merge more than one light into a group in order to create a creative lighting effect. This specific model, the Buy, supports a color temperature of 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. The adjustment on this particular light can be set from a 0% to 100% with an increment of 1%, which is very good for a precise control of light. At 100% luminance, this particular light is able to produce a light that is upwards of 32,000 lux at 1 meter's range. This light comes with 11 different light effects. This light has Bluetooth connectivity which can be used for controlling the light either as a single or a group of units together, and from the smartphone we can control the intensity as well as the color temperature of the light output. This is a fairly compact unit and weighs at about 1.6 kilos. We also get an optional accessory, that is a remote, which is sold separately and can be used for controlling the light. And if we have set multiple lights as one channel and group, they can be controlled together using this remote. Here this light is currently set at 40% power output. Let us see what happens when we reduce the intensity or when we increase the intensity. Now what is great about this light is, if we turn the dial for increasing or decreasing the intensity, it changes by one value, but if we turn it fast, it changes by 10 values. Notice this, which is very good in case if you want to make a big change to the power output in a short time. To change the color temperature, we simply turn this dial in order to change a temperature from a maximum of 6500 Kelvin all the way down to 2800 Kelvin. Setting such a lower color temperature is very helpful in case if you are using this light source as a backlight to get a nice cut light that is warm on the model's hair. We can also set a precise temperature in order to get a white light. Also, we can set the same color temperature as the white balance on the camera to get a exact color tone. Other than switching the color temperature, there are some effects that we get in this light. Let us have a look at all the effects. So in order to switch from simply changing the color temperature to the effects, we press the effects button on the light. As we do so, as you can see, it shows the effects and effect number, that is 1. The first, second and the third effect that we have, they are creating different effects of lighting. As you can see that the flash that is created by this light is of different intensity. The effect number 4 that we have, that is of flash. So at regular interval, the flash firing is going to be noticed with this particular effect. The effect number 5 is the effect that we get in a press conference. So again, it is similar to what we get in a flash, but the intensity is going to be slightly different. Similarly, the effect number 6 is the effect of paparazzi. Here again we see flash firing, just with a slightly different pattern. The effect number 7 is of a television, the effect of which we already saw in this video. The effect number 8 is that of a broken bulb. This specific model of light, that is the SL100 bi, because it is a bicolor light, a two-colored light, there are some additional effects that this particular light has. The next one, that is the effect number 9, is that of a candle. So in a situation where you want to show as if the subject is lit by a candle, this gives a realistic feel to that particular effect. The effect number 10 is that of a fire. Here you will notice that the glow actually resembles that of a bonfire. The effect number 11, the last one in this particular light, is that of a firework. This particular light, being only a bicolored light, this can only imitate two color tones of firework. In case of other lights which would have red, green and blue or RGB in them, they produce a much better, a much realistic looking firework pattern. That is what we have with this effects. In order to switch back to the normal color temperature, we press the effect button again and we are back into the color temperature mode. This is a continuous light source. The advantage of using this for a fashion shoot is we get to see the lighting that we have done on the subject immediately, unlike flash where we get to see the lighting effect only when the flash is fired. The big advantage that we have here is, in case if you want to do stills as well as video of a catalog shoot or any other kind of picture, this is beneficial because just a single light source is able to get us a good result. Because the power or the intensity of this light is high, we are able to get a good enough exposure without affecting the shutter speed or without risking a slow shutter speed and resulting in a handshake in the pictures. So other than cinematography or any video purpose, this can also be used for fashion and other genre of photography. For this setup, what we have used is a proper white light. Currently, our Godox SL100 BY has been set on 5600 Kelvin with the Godox 120 cm deep octagonal softbox. This creates a very nice soft light and we can see the very beautiful effect that we have on the subject. Along with that, we have also used a small backlight to highlight the subject's hair and to separate her from the darker background. A creative photographer or a cinematographer knows how to use his equipment. This light comes with endless possibilities, and that is what is great about this particular light. The SL100 BY has sufficient power to create what you visualize. As a creative person, you can visualize lots of things, and because of the bicolor that this light offers, it offers all the freedom that you intend. So whether you shoot the traditional content that requires a basic light, or whether you need something more creative in order to create a different scenario, perhaps imitate the golden hours of photography, or maybe say create a nice cool effect in a picture, this light has the features in order to create those. Godox has designed the light, especially the heat management, in an amazing way, due to which the light does not generate lots of heat and the fan makes minimum noise. This is great for long working hours. Because of the Bowens mount that the light comes with, there are lots of light modifiers that we have, and we can attach different light modifiers like a metal reflector or maybe say softbox and umbrella quite easily, which makes our life as a cinematographer or as a photographer quite simple. With the power that this light has, or the effects that it can create, the way it is designed, the features that it has, this is a very good light. And honestly, any good photographer or a cinematographer can create a very good effect using this particular light. This light has enough to help any content creator to think beyond the ordinary. And in my opinion, with this light, the possibilities are only limited by your imagination. This product was not provided to us by Godox, and the opinion that we are sharing in this particular video are our own and they are unbiased opinions.